I'm not fucking playing, bro! Get on the fucking ground! Oh. Fuck. Oh, fuck.
Charlotte 911, do you need police fire or medic?
Outside of my apartment was a guy with a pistol trying to steal my car, and he was pointing at me. He was trying to kill me.
All right, and when did this happen?
Right now,
So he tried to rob your vehicle,
yes.
and he had a gun?
Yeah, he was pointing at me.
What did he look like? Was he white, black, or Hispanic?
He's black. He has a black backpack, and he has a black pen and black
Okay, and he had a pistol?
sweater. Yeah, he had a pistol. He is still right here in the apartment.
Okay, so he pointed the gun at you, is that right?
Yes,
Okay, so when you confronted him, he pointed the gun at you?
yes. He put the gun in my head.
All right, and he's still in the parking lot?
Yes, he's in front of the office.
Independence is running one possible robbery suspect.
Get on the ground! Let me see your hand! Let me see your fucking hand! Hey! Go on the fucking ground, man! I'm not playing with you! I'm not fucking playing, bro! Get on the fucking ground! Oh. Fuck! Oh, fuck. 1100. I shot at suspect. I'm shot. Start medic for me. Get back there! What the fuck are you? Fuck. 1100. 1100, I'm down. 6209, wing down. Fuck. 1100, hold the channel. Baker 3 units, taking him into custody. Fuck! Ah. Right.
Four. Take the first right. Right for the officer.
You good, man?
And for you, get
Yeah, I'm shot.
Wait, already left.
I'm good.
I'm searching. I got so. Sorry, I'll get a copy suspect in safety count 729.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Just help him. Ah, fuck. Fuck.
It's 20, officer. 6309, wing down court. 6309, wing down.
Thanks in the trap. Where you at? I'm in the trap.
No, it's I'm gonna be right on the office.
Focus.
And wing down court.
Left or right? Left.
So when officer takes your seat ahead, and I got the sure way, yeah, we're checking them out right now.
On top. Yeah, absolutely.
I'm good.
I'm good.
Alright, that's fine.
Yeah, I got you. Got you. Calm down, man. You're good. We're good. I'm splitting. That's okay. Look at it. Is it through and through?
Where's the suspect?
You down there.
That's what Jimmy is?
I'll take your best. Suspect's down there. All right. Y'all good? Everybody good over there?
What you need again?
1300. It's going to be a gunshot to the upper left shoulder. Officer has been shot.
Looks like it's just the end.
All right. I'm good, man. You got a gauze?
Yeah.
Some motherfuckers. You know who that is?
Yeah.
My camera's still on. Glove up, bro. Just hold that on. Ah,
I know it hurts.
hey, Thor's, there's a mag over there. I don't want
Where's the shot?
He shot me right here. I went down. Return fire there.
See hit?
I don't know. You might want to check your good.
Here, I got you.
I'm good.
See hit?
Yeah.
Good. I know, but I got stuff. Here.
Okay, it's slow traffic.
Slow traffic. I got it. You got it? All right. I got it. You got shears? Your shears. How many times did you fire?
Just one. He was right here. I was right here.
Yes. Yeah.
I gotta get there. I'm good. I'm good. Calm down. Everybody calm down.
Get there.
It's right.
You have a weapon over there? Where's the weapon?
I think he's standing on over there.
Yeah, he's got the guns over there. Does he need anything? I gotta find a medical thing. I got it. We got it wrapped. One.
I'm good.
Wrap it this side. Wrap it on this side. It'll be wrap around his neck. The other side. I'm coming across. Hey, you're going to clear up that forward with the car. How many cars?
Wide.
You didn't even do this.
Behind the cars, whatnot.
Just here on 14 Central, Metro shut down traffic on the when you go 17. Advise where you're going and what route.
Copy, fire.
This shirt, will you grab my left side and
Keep on, we're going to clear out the Richmond Road.
Keep that pressure.
Hold on to this, yeah.
What properties for to be shot?
I didn't see any wounds. What are you shooting with? I didn't see any
42 medic station out here.
There's one hole right here.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off your shirt.
Says, let's just cut the whole shirt off.
Well, you need to sit off your feet.
yeah, I just feel sick.
Is it just the top graze? It's just a graze?
Nah, I think it went in.
Just get on your instead of your feet. I'm just gonna take it off now, okay?
Yeah, just cut that. Hey, did you get hit in the back at all? No.
It's just a graze.
There you go, Tony. Got fresh. Come
I'm
on.
gonna stop moving around for you.
It's just a graze wound.
That's great.
Yeah, it's just a graze. That's all it's about, right?
To the whole spring around here though, because
You got it. It's a graze
They
wound.
checked you already?
Got it. That's part of the So we guys radio.
Nah, it's good.
Everybody else is good.
His radio.
Everybody else is good.
That's Whitley's radio.
Got it.
Oh, you don't even mean nothing.
I'll follow. I'm gonna get.
You need to drop that stuff.
Tony, who'd you ride
I'm
with?
gonna drop that. I'll stay with it.
You rode with
Stay with it.
Dr.
Yeah,
You ride with him?
Here's this camera still running.
Tony will ride with them?
All right.
I'll watch. Tony will ride with him and then you'll follow.
Hey, spread it out. I was just there. You got it. You got it. Yeah. But like here.
I don't have the phone.
Yeah,
great. I'm following you.
He's riding. I'm following.
You can walk him
over there if he's able. Right there. Just leave that there, sir.
I got one to follow, and then I got one that's going to ride.
You alert to anything?
Okay, Providence, they're going to shut it down.
You need one about what hospital they're going to?
CMC range, that explains everything, right?
Lordy. Lang,
Hey, Ross, let us know when we need to shut down that one.
you and Draper, shut it down over on this side. Rope this off. Rope all the way on this side over here.
Great. Right there. Right across the top of the shoulder. All right. We're going to stand up. Okay, that's fine. Stood up.
He's right here. Yeah, the medic's right here, Coach.
You can walk.
Okay, go ahead, yeah,
He's got a small graze wound up the top of his left shoulder. He did not go through.
P5813. Channel 12 on the left side here.
All the way back here.
Hey. Yeah, just leave that there.
Leave it up. I'm gonna turn it off.
It's on.